Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to transfer your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So it's a common misconception that it's an actual coin, but here it says how can I transfer my Sweatcoins into Sweat. So basically it's pretty tricky when it comes to the Sweatcoin and to the Sweat token itself. So basically the Sweat coin that you earn in the app is an in-app currency and it's not supposed to be confused with the Sweat token. So those are two different things. So the Sweat coins cannot be actually transferred to the wallet, but it's an in-app currency that you will use to redeem rewards basically. So you don't transfer it to your Sweat wallet because Sweat coin basically is an in-app currency. So as stated right here, it can only be used in the Sweatcoin app. Therefore, you cannot trade or transfer it into your Sweatcoin wallet or even into Sweat. So there you go, guys. That is the only way you can redeem it is in the app itself. So it's a common misconception, and there you go.